Hello guys, it's me Monkey Man, and I'm here with my friend Brother Man. I know it's been a while, we've had even more technical difficulties. I'm sorry, okay?
Its controller broke.
No it didn't, No it didn't.
Okay,
But yeah,
it didn't.
today
It did break,
we are
guys,
going to be checking out the new Animal Company update. We have literally just gotten into the code. We went into a probably like, we are horrified. We don't want to do this video, but we're gonna do it for you guys. Why have I spent all of my money on a thing? Alright, so we're gonna just have a look around. What did you say?
How do we spawn in? How do we like? Because I think it's a zombie thing.
Yeah, they look like zombies. Do you think there's a button
How do we spawn in the zombie thing? Wait,
oh, you reckon it's this button here?
Ready, press ready. Oh, yep, that's it.
Oh, I'm scared. Get a bazooka out right now.
Nah, too dangerous.
What is that?
What are they? What are they? Ah, they're there.
How do you fire the RPG? I've never used one of these. Oh! They're not dead!
How are you not dead?
They're invincible. Oh, we have to be outside the safe zone. Oh yeah, zombies.
Safe zone.
They are zombies.
No damage. Wait, it's got the same sound as chicken.
Is it just chicken?
No, but it's not chicken, but it's got the same sound as chicken. You ready?
Well, I'm using my grapple. I'm going to grapple to the roof in the head. Oh, he's gone to the TV.
I went in.
Oh, why have you gone to the TV? I'm alone now.
I'll try and come out of the TV room.
I clicked the reset button. They all died.
Okay.
Okay. For whoever's watching this video, that is horrifying, considering I have a big fear of zombies. So yeah, that's
I'm
one
lost.
reason
I'm in the office area and I don't know where to go.
Just try and make your way back. Oh, that was
little thingy that take you up.
Oh, I am so scared. I'm staying up here. Then when the zombies come, I'm gonna snipe them.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave and rejoin. I'll be back.
Okay, I'm gonna wait for Brotherman then. And I'm gonna stay in here because this is the safest spot, and I'm scared. Oh, that was horrifying. Arena. Alright, let's not do about that yet. Oh. I'm gonna say this before Brotherman. Okay, I'm just gonna say it now. It would be very helpful if you could subscribe because it shows that you're on Snapchat, you're on Callmate. So it just shows that that you're enjoying the content, and yeah, it just makes us post more videos, and it makes us post more frequently. So, and it also shows that you're enjoying the content. It would be very much appreciated if you would subscribe. So, get back to the video. Get your gun. You press ready, and I'll get up here and snipe him.
You need to press. Oh no, never mind.
Here they come.
Use the grappler trick. Use the grappler trick.
I'm not risking it.
The hip slot. Oh, they're one shots. Reloading. I feel like this is cheating, you know, so wish me luck.
No, Brotherman, don't do it. I'm out.
Demon.
Get him. Kill him. You missed. Thank you, Brotherman.
Let's open these boxes. Oh, revolver
Wait, wave
ammo.
2. I think it's like waves. Revolver ammo,
Oh yeah. you know the auto reload? If you press B with the gun that you're holding, it'll auto reload it. Hold B. Why are they so much bigger?
What, so you don't need ammo?
I don't think. Viewers tell me if I'm wrong, but I don't think we do.
Yeah, we don't. Am I sniping them? Reload.
Oh, I get it. You know when you do that reload thing?
Yeah, it does. It gives you have infinite ammo.
No, it gives. I think it costs noughts.
Does it?
I think.
Oh, I dropped my grappler. I dropped my grappler up there.
I've got the special substance.
No, it gives me notes. Oh God. Okay, Buddhaman. Wish me luck.
Oh, I'm being carried.
Oh, Buddhaman! Buddhaman's alive! Oh, I'm being violated right now. What? I pressed reset.
It costs noughts. It costs noughts.
Yeah, maybe not.
Every now and then it costs noughts.
Okay, so game plan, we're gonna get a bag. I want to get loads of revolver ammo.
Yeah, well, I'll use a revolver instead of shotgun. I'll store the shotgun. We need some money. I'm kind of broke, not gonna lie.
Oh, I can't reach my grappler. Could you go and get my grappler?
Sigma corpse set. Sigma corpse set. That's not Sigma.
No! I keep missing it. I can definitely get up there. Oh, I'm jumping higher than it. Yes! I've done it!
How do you jump so high?
My revolver gives me a boost.
Oh, yeah!
So I'm going to do it with my hand. Then I'm going to do it with my revolver. Oh yeah, revolver definitely gives you a boost.
Yo, I'm Michael Jordan.
Yeah. LeBron James!
No revolvers. No revolvers needed. Bam!
Oh, you're saying you can do it
Wait.
without a revolver?
Yeah.
Bang! Okay, you ready? No grappler?
No graps?
Yeah, no grappler? Grappler has to go in the start.
Okay.
What do you mean? How can one be so bad at getting lost in this game?
Bro, I'm just over like that.
Can't say that, can't say that.
Ow.
Don't ask what he's just said. Don't ask me in the comments, because if you ask me, I'm gonna not tell you. This is just... So the highest wave we've managed to get, if I just put the up now, the highest wave we've managed to get is 3. I think that's pretty good. We're gonna keep going, and if you can get a higher wave than us, I want you to tell us in the comments, and so yeah, I want you to tell us in the comments, and I want you to make a video of it or a screenshot and tag us in the short. Yeah? That's what I think we should do. By the end of this video. That's what you should, that's your task. But I mean, if you didn't hear them, we're going to try and to get, if you didn't hear me, we're going to try. Why are you frozen? Buddha-main. Hello?
Yeah?
Okay. So Buddha-main, if you didn't hear me, I've just said to the audience that what our high score by the end of this video, we're gonna see if they can beat our high score, and if they do, they either have to make a show about it or make it as a screenshot and pin us and tag us in it. And you also have to put it in the comments so we actually notice it.
You can't.
So yeah,
put
that's
stuff in the
their
comments.
task. And there's your
Can't
graph for
put-
back.
what-
Put it
what
in
do you
the,
have to-
put
what-
it in the stash, not you. Do you not have any space?
No. Hey, I'm gonna use that.
Won't.
Okay, then I'm going back in the stash.
Okay, bye.
Anyway, so our high score is going to be very high, guys, so you can beat it easily.
Hopefully. Oh wait, they come from more than one side. You take the left, I'll take the right. Oh! Oh! Oh, I'm being assaulted! Oh! Ah! What do you mean, help?
I'm being killed! Give me this!
Oh, I missed! I dropped my revolver! My trusty revolver.
What is this? Is this like a sellable material? Let me go try to sell this.
Okay, I might eat this. Yeah. Actually, no, I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go here. Oh! 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 Go away! What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm here.
Help!
I can't, I'm dead.
One more way.
No.
Snap their ankles! Dead noobs!
Oh, I can't believe I dropped everything. That is horrifying. You know what? Maybe we need the grapplers. Okay, Budderman. Budderman! They don't one shot. They don't one shot.
What do you mean?
They don't get one shotted.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, never mind, I just missed. Kill him! Why are you shooting me?
Oh, that's so scary.
I don't like this game anymore. Oh, that's not a zombie, that's you. Oh, Budderman, you scared me so. Oh, I'm breaking their ankles. Oh, get it, get it. Budderman, they're all on me. Budderman, they're all on me. Oh, snipe. 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 Oh, I've just punched my sofa. Budderman, no. I'll avenge you. Ah, maybe I won't. Maybe I won't.
I'll fight them in the coast.
But I've just jumped across the whole map. No, Budderman. Budderman. Why am I going so far? Budderman, please. Oh, yes, Budderman. Budderman, you have just saved my life. Oh, I have no HP.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so
we'll crowd
scared.
them all up and then I'll jump over them. No, we'll crowd them all up and I'll jump all
I've got a
over
grenade.
them and then
What do you mean I've got a grenade?
Nice.
Get them in a
I'll crowd them
ball.
up. After me, guys! Come after me!
Go after him. Yeah, look. Okay, we'll follow each other.
They're all here.
Follow each other. Oh no! Yeah. Buddy man, I died.
Stuck!
Buddy man, shoot them.
I can't, I don't have any ammo!
Get me trusty revolver. What do you mean?
Die! Oh, we're not in the, I'm in line.
Yeah. What do you mean? I'm alive.
Avenge!
Goodbye.
Jump over them!
Goodbye,
Jump
foul
over
world.
them!
Kaboom! It's not dead.
There's still one left!
There's one left.
Get a twisty revolver!
I'm getting a trusty revolver. Where's he gone? Ah! Okay, I need my regular trusty revolver. Where'd my trusty revolver go?
Wait, let's open all these crates, they can have ammo in.
Oh god.
Ammo!
Okay, at least I've got one
Revolver
trusty revolver.
Help me! We've got 2 revolver ammos.
You ready for a war? Oh look, this is our new high school. We've never gotten this far. If you die, try come back. Yeah! Ah, put him out! I'm dead.
Try come back!
That's what I'm doing.
I'll hurt them! I'm out of ammo! No! No!
What do you mean? Come back, I'm alive.
I'll take one for the team!
No! my RPG! My RPG's now just gone boom boom away.
How did they not die?
Bo, they are OP. They are too strong.
1 minute!
Wait. Bo, I am
I think-
poor now.
Yeah, I think we should end this video off here.
No, I think we should keep
It's just,
going, but I don't think we should do the zombie.
Or new other stuff.
Yeah.
Where?
Oh, what is this?
I don't know, I tried to sell it, but it doesn't sell for anything.
Oh.
It
They're
sells
like the zombies go after
24.
this instead of you or something.
Yeah,
Oh, you
that's
eat it.
the
You
thing.
eat it. You eat it.
Oh, eat it. Yeah, so I think we should end this video off here. We'll go
Oh,
to
wait, no.
Mira.
It makes me. I think it's just a heal. I
It's
don't think we
one
should end it. I want to explore.
No, I think we should just end it.
Fine. Okay. So the last wave. The wave you need to get to. Number 4. Again, pin us in the comment, and yeah.